5 reasons you shouldn't start an online business. What's good, Wealth Builders? This your boy Devaughn back again with another video, and today we are talking about my five reasons you shouldn't start an online business. Let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We drop a video every Monday, every Thursday, okay, discussing how to make more money, save more money, and build a better you and business. So, without further ado, 5 reasons you shouldn't start an online business. All right, let's get into number 1, discipline. A lot of people shy away from this thing, right? If you don't have discipline, you will not get very far in any profession in life, okay? Or anything in life, really, okay? So let alone starting an online business. There won't be anyone there to tell you to do your work. No boss breathing down your neck to send your emails, to do your videos, to post on Facebook, to post on Instagram. Nobody's going to be telling you to do what you need to do, okay, chochi? So if you don't got discipline, then man, this is not for you, all right? Second, scared to lose a little bit of money, okay? Every entrepreneur, online marketer, investor, online business owner has taken a loss in their pursuit of financial freedom. But the thing is, they never let their failures stop them from success. They just know it's a part of the game, okay? They learned from their mistakes and moved on, all right? I'm not saying to start throwing your money into anything or everything you see. Just don't lose your noodle, all right? Because you lost a few bucks on a bad deal. Things happen, things go wrong, move on, learn from your mistakes, right? Number 3, right? If you don't like being talked about, good or bad, okay, right? A lot of folks shy away from the spotlight, all right? They get scared, they shrivel up, okay? They don't want to be the one to make those hard decisions. They don't want people to talk about them because they've stepped out their comfort zone and want to change their life in a positive way. I'm sorry, people. People are going to talk about you, okay? They'll start to say things like, oh, Bobby thinks she's too good for us now and all because he started his little online business, you know. He don't want to go out anymore and never has time to hang out anymore. Oh my God, boo-hoo, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. This is the type of things they'll talk about, okay? This is the type of things they'll say about you. If you can't deal with this, Bobby, then don't start an online business. Who the fuck is Bobby? Anyway, number 4, you don't like learning new things. All right, you ever heard the term, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Okay, we're not talking about, you know, really your puppy and shit. No, we're not talking about that guy. All right, if you live by this credo, then starting an online business is not for you, okay? It's just not for you, okay? Because with the online business, you're gonna have to stay on top of trends. You're gonna have to learn new methods of marketing and doing business and doing things, okay? And overall, stay in the know on hot topics, things that you probably don't even really care about, but you gotta know it because you're an online business owner and what you're doing it online, so you gotta know about it, all right? And if you don't wanna learn about it, then man, you might as well just go get you a 9 to 5. All right, number 5, if you hate selling things, okay, this is crucial right here. This is crucial. Do you think most salespeople are sleazy, or do you absolutely hate to ask people to buy something? Then online marketing isn't for you. It's just not, all right? I know it doesn't seem like it, but every piece of content I put on social media is for the purpose of making a sale. I mean, I'm sorry. It just is what it is, all right? And if if you don't understand that concept, that everything you're gonna put on social media is for, or any site or any website is for the purpose of making a sale, then yeah, you might as well forget online marketing, okay? Because I'm not here to play games or none of that, okay? We leave that for the 14-year-olds, the 12-year-olds, and then a lot of them not even here to play games. They out here making this guap, this cheddar, this cheese, that De Niro, buddy, okay? And if you think that selling things or having people buy stuff from you, or providing value and then having people buy stuff from you is a scam or sleazy, or you just hate doing it, then yeah, man, forget about starting an online business. An online business is not for you, okay? I'm here to build something solid and help people change their lives and be financially free and escape the 9-to-5 rat race and be able to do stuff instead of just going to work all the time, okay? And if you don't feel the same, or you don't feel like whatever you're selling provides value and gives people, something in return for the money they've spent with you, then yeah, again, doing an online business is not for you, okay? So if you identify with all 5 of these points, then you shouldn't think about starting an online business, okay? Forget this video, okay? Not unsubscribe, but forget this video. All right? Unless you're willing to change, unless you're willing to change your personality and your thought process, then like I said, starting an online business isn't for you, right? But it's all up to you, man. I can't make you do something you don't want to do, right? So, if you are wanting to start an online business and don't know where to start, need someone to help you, get started and build something that, that can last and be generational and people can actually latch on to and other people can use for themselves and you can use for yourself also, I want you to click the link below, check out the video below actually, all right? It's a video below, it's a business I highly recommend, okay? It's very easy to start, it's not gonna break the bank, all right? So go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. It's your boy Devaughn signing off for my 5 reasons you shouldn't start an online business. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.